Hi guys, I'm Asnith, and today I'm going to be demonstrating for you how to make barbecue ranch salad. Alright, so let's just get right to it. I'm going to dive right in. Alright, so first I kind of want to show you how I'm preparing the salad that the dressing is going to go on. So the first thing you want to do is kind of chop you up some romaine. I haven't seasoned this or anything like that. I've just chopped up romaine. The next thing I do is I stripped some corn off the cob. I kind of stripped it off and put it in this bowl. And then I added some red onion, I added some tomato and some jalapenos. And then I put some sesame oil in there, maybe like half a teaspoon of sesame oil and half a teaspoon of like soy sauce. And I just mix that together. I let these vegetables sit and just marinate, okay? So this is gonna go on top of my greens. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is make the dressing. Okay, so for this dressing, I needed 1 cup of cashews, so I'm going to dump that in. The next thing I needed is 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. So I made barbecue sauce before. I'm just going to dump the 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce in there as well. The next thing you're going to need for this recipe is I'm going to say like 1/4 cup of water, but you're going to need 2 of those. You're going to dump that in as well. You're going to need, and I'm just realizing I don't have rice wine vinegar and I need that. So hold on 1 second. So I'm going to grab some rice wine vinegar. I need 2 tablespoons of that. I don't know why I didn't set that out. This is like a teaspoon, but you need 2 tablespoons of the rice wine vinegar. So I'm just kind of estimating since I don't have the right measuring spoon for it. So that's just 2 tablespoons of that, but my thing was a teaspoon, so I put a little. It looks like I put a little extra, but I didn't. The next thing you're going to need is some lemon, but before I get to the lemon, I want to add some more of these ingredients. So you're going to need onion powder. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of the onion powder. You guys, I did not set it out the right measuring thing. But that's okay. Just make it work. All right, so there's onion powder, and then you're going to need garlic powder as well. And that's going to be 1 tablespoon of the onion powder. Oh man. You guys, I pulled out the wrong thing. Gosh, I needed garlic powder. So just bear with me for 1 second as I grab the right thing that I need. So I needed garlic powder. And also I need some lemon. All right, so actually you need also 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. I put out 2 things of it by mistake, but you know what? You gotta live and learn, so keep it moving. All right, and then you wanna do half a teaspoon of salt, but I'm gonna tell you season that according to your taste buds. Just with salt, because I'm using other ingredients, you want to be mindful with the salt. And then the next thing I want to do, so I got to cut my lemon right good because I forgot, guys. Sorry about that. All right, so with the lemon, you want 2 tablespoons. So I'm just kind of going to estimate. So you want 2 tablespoons of lemon. And that's it. And I need a little bit of dill too. So you want to take a little dill weed. And you want 1 teaspoon of this. That's just 1 tablespoon of this dill weed. All right, guys, so I thought I set out had everything that I needed, but guess what, I didn't. So we're gonna keep it moving anyway. So I'll just go back over this once I finish blending it to make sure you have all the right ingredients. So let's blend that right quick. All right, doesn't take that long. Just gonna taste that. think that's pretty good. A tad bit sweet, but pretty good. All right, just let me walk you back through this dressing really quick. So I use 1 cup of cashews, 1/4 cup of water, 2 of them. I use 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of dried dill. But you want to like just taste this as you go so that it's seasoned according to your taste buds. So now I have it on my salad. I put the dressing on my salad. Next thing I am going to do is add some of my corn. All right, and last but not least, I'm going to add a little bit of my mushrooms to this. Remember my barbecue mushrooms? It's going to go on top. What salad would this be without some barbecue mushrooms, people? All right, and so there you have it. So I have romaine here, and then I have this ranch dressing. So this is just one variation. You can go like more into a detailed ranch dressing, which you need the almond milk and all of that, but this is just the basic way to create it. And then I have my seasoned corn, and on top of my seasoned corn, I have my barbecue mushroom. All right, so if you would change anything, let me know. No. If you would add anything, let me know. If you would change anything, let me know. Until next time, have a great taste. And I want to advise you when it comes, I'm always trying new recipes and trying new things, and that's really what keeps me inspired. So I hope you're learning something from my recipes. I really just wanted to come and show you how easy it is to make your own food, but that's going to require you stepping out and experimenting, all right? So until next time, have a great taste.